Are you wondering if you can use Visual Studio Community 2017 without signing into a Microsoft account? You're not alone. This is a common question among developers, and today we're going to clarify it for you. I totally get it. Signing into an account can feel like an unnecessary hurdle, especially when you're just trying to get to work. Many users share your concern, and it's important to address it. So let's dive into the specific question at hand. Can you use Visual Studio Community 2017 without a Microsoft account? This question has been raised by many users who want to know if they can skip the sign-in process. To understand this better, it's essential to know that Visual Studio Community 2017 does allow you to work offline. However, some features may require a sign-in for full functionality. Let's break this down. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you can do without signing in and what features you might miss out on. To address the user's question, we first need to clarify that Visual Studio Community 2017 does allow for offline use without signing into a Microsoft account. However, if the user wants to access certain features, such as cloud services or extensions from the Visual Studio Marketplace, signing in will be necessary. To use Visual Studio without signing in, the user can simply skip the sign-in prompt during the installation process. If the user has already signed in but wants to work offline, they can sign out by going to the File menu, selecting Account Settings, and then choosing Sign Out. In summary, while Visual Studio Community 2017 can be used without a Microsoft account, signing in may enhance the user experience with additional features. Fun fact, did you know that Visual Studio has been around since 1997? It's evolved a lot since then, but the question of signing in has been a hot topic for years. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, you can use Visual Studio Community 2017 without signing in for the first 30 days. However, after that period, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account to continue using it. Let's move forward and look at another answer. According to another user, Visual Studio Community can be used by individual developers to create free or paid apps. However, it's important to note that after 30 days of use, you will need to sign in with a Microsoft account. Here's a tip. If you want to use Visual Studio without signing in, just focus on local projects. You can always sign in later if you decide to use those additional features. And there you have it. You can absolutely use Visual Studio Community 2017 without signing in, but keep in mind that some features will be locked. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.